I'm Kim Van Lenten, and I'm the greenhouse manager and buyer. I've worked at Hostetter for 15 years. We have over 16,000 feet of greenhouse between the giftee and plants that has to be taken care of. We carry a wide range of pots, fairy gardening, wind chimes, wreaths and garlands, hooks. We carry windmills. We have obelisk. Almost anything you could name, we have. And if we don't have it, I can see if I can get it. You should come here because we have the latest varieties of plants. Excellent value. Our quality is second to none. If we don't feel a plant should be sold, it will not be out there. And if you have any questions, you can ask any single person out here, and they will know an answer for you.